Okay, my name is Jeff, and I'll be showing you a quick tour of Angrykey, which is a new way to use your keyboard. What makes Angrykey different is that it just works, and there isn't any complicated setup or interface to learn. So let's get started. I've already installed Angrykey on the Windows PC, and now I want to install it to my Mac. So to do that, I just installed Angrykey, and now I'm linking my Mac to my account. So in a second, my account will be linked, and I'll be able to use special features with my keyboard. For instance, if my computer gets frozen after opening many programs and I want to force quit a program, all I need is get angry on the escape key, which means repeatedly press it like that, and Angrykey will automatically force quit the last program opened. And if I keep doing it, it will force quit the program used immediately before, and so on. Now you will notice that whenever Angrykey is triggered, there's a blue light blinking. The good thing about it is that I can reverse the action that Angrykey just did just by pressing escape again while the light's blinking. Say you want to force quit the last program used, I get angry on the escape key, the blue light appears while force quitting the program, and if I want to undo, I just click once escape again, and the program reopens in a second. The light blinks yellow, which means it's undoing the last Angrykey action. So basically Angrykey uses only three keys: escape, backspace, and enter. Escape, as we just saw, is used to force quit a program or stop any ongoing action. Backspace can be used to delete or cancel any action you want. For instance, if I'm typing a word that just got automatically corrected and I actually don't want that correction to happen, I get angry on the backspace key, like that, and Angrykey will not only undo the automatic correction, it also learns that for this specific word, I never want an automatic correction. You can see a green light blinking, which means that Angrykey actually learned something. So if I type that word again, you will see it's not automatically corrected anymore. Now the blue light blinks again because Angrykey is performing an action that was previously learned. I can make Angrykey unlearn that action only by pressing escape while the blue light blinks. As you can see, the light blinks red, which means that Angrykey just unlearned the action. Now this is just an example of how to use the backspace key with Angrykey, but it can be used in other useful ways. For instance, if I go online and there's an ad pop-up that shows up somewhere, I just get angry on the backspace key, and Angrykey will automatically close it. It also learns that I always want this ad pop-up to be closed, so it won't ever show up again. Now if you change your mind and actually want this ad pop-up to appear, easy. Next time you can just press the escape key while the blue light's blinking, and Angrykey will unlearn it. It also works for ad banners. If you're lazy, you can also use Angrykey for online sign-up forms, so that when you come across a website that asks you to fill in a sign-up form to access its content, for instance this online newspaper, and you don't want to waste time, all you have to do is get angry on the enter key, just like that, and Angrykey will actually recognize each field and automatically fill in all the info for you. It's done in a second, as you can see, and after you can just proceed. If you want to change anything, you just hover the mouse over the field you want to change. Let's say I want to use a different email address. So I hover the mouse over here, and alternative addresses appear based on the ones I told Angrykey to remember. So I want to choose this one, and just validate, and I'm done. Looks like there are some additional fields, but Angrykey just filled them up as well. These ones are filled too, don't want any of this, and I'm done. It actually works for literally any online forms and any website. For even lazier people like myself, Angrykey also works for logging into any website. For instance, if I go to this website and I want to log in, all I have to do is get angry on the enter key, and Angrykey will retrieve my login info. Now, iCloud, for instance, can also remember your login info, but it's pretty unsafe in case you're using someone else's computer. With Angrykey, your login info only fills in when you're logged into your Angrykey account. After you log out, your personal info disappears forever. What's really great is that Angrykey can be used in endless ways because it learns from your actions and saves it all no matter what computer you're using. For instance, let's say I want to edit this Word document that my friend sent me, and I want to show track changes, which is a feature I've used once but don't really remember where it's located. All I know is that it's somewhere around this tab, so what I do is move the mouse pointer over here and get angry on it. Angrykey will show me suggestions based on the features I've used already around this area of the screen. I go ahead and select track changes, and I'm done. This could happen because whenever I'm using any software and I do an action, Angrykey offers me to remember it. So let's say I want to make this text a superscript, I go ahead and do that, and as you can see, right after I did it, the green light quickly appears, which means that I can make Angrykey learn that action. All I have to do is click enter, and it's learned. You also have the option to turn on collaborative suggestions based on other users' experiences. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how much easier Angrykey makes it to use computers. And with that all wrapped up, we're still in private beta, but you can visit us and sign up to give it a shot at www.angrykey.com. Thanks.